This is a simple ab crunch on the ball. So what I'm going to do is I'll show you from the side. I'm going to roll forward so that the ball is just underneath the small of my back. I want to have my shoulder blades so that they can actually come off the ball. Hands are going to go on my ears, supporting my head. And then imagine that I have a grapefruit or an orange underneath my chin. So I've got some space between my chin and my chest. I'm not crunching my head in like this. So it looks something like this. So breath in, and then I'm going to exhale and I'm going to come up so that my body's not quite vertical. If I were to sit up vertical, right now my abs can completely turn off. They're getting a break. So I want to just slightly be leaning back so that my abs are engaged the entire time. Looks like this again. It's a breath in, allowing my body to curl around, reverse over top of the ball. Exhale, chin away from chest, almost to a upright seated position, but not quite. Breath in, exhale. Breath in, exhale. And that's your ideal form for a crunch on the ball.